Hi, um, welcome back to Take 101 by me, MA Benson. Um, if you're joining us for the first time, please uh, subscribe to this channel, um, like and share. Obviously, that's if you like what the topic is all about. But nevertheless, like anyway. And if you have any comments or ideas on how we can improve. It's a learning curve, and I'm ready to learn. The team is ready to learn. So, give us your feedback. On today's topic, I want to kind of talk about the new um, camera in town. Basically, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. Now, we're not talking about shooting in 4K. Before, when you talk about shooting in 4K, it looks like this is it, heaven break loose. Now we are not even talking about shooting in 8K. We are talking about shooting in 12K. That's it's amazing. It's a record breaking 12K production now. And the camera we're talking about is the new Blackmagic Ursa Pro. Is unbelievable. It's really mind blowing. This Ursa Mini Pro Blackmagic, you can actually shoot on 12K. You can shoot 60 frames per second. I mean, it's 60 frames per second, right? And then when you're shooting on 8K, right, you can achieve 110 frames per second. Can you imagine that? 110 frames per second. And then if you go down to 4K, you can go as high as 220 frames per second. Well, if you can beat that, tell me. This is and the camera is not even that expensive. I mean, it is expensive, but not for what you're going to achieve, pound for a pound. This camera you can still get it for less than $10,000. Just about between $9,000 to $10,000. I mean, before, for you to get a 4K camera, you're looking at over 20,000 to 30,000. This camera, I don't know what to say. It just gives us that cinematic, range. So, as independent filmmakers, we can go as clean as we want. And all we have to do is just plan the production, knowing fully well that the equipment to get that high level professional feel is there, and then also the camera comes as a pack with DaVinci, which is, in short, when I was thinking about the whole range, I was mortified. So what you can actually do is that you can now edit on a laptop. Imagine you shoot 12K and you edit on just a laptop. You don't even need to go to that massive production studio because the file is so heavy and you don't have enough space. You can just edit your film. Good news for editors. You can edit the whole lot on a laptop. It's just amazing. It's amazing. Another amazing thing about this Ursa Mini Blackmagic is it actually comes with APL mount. So it just makes things so, so, streamlined. You can just, get what you need, put it in, and then you're away. I just feel I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words because this camera, I'm not, I'm not a marketing manager, but it's just by the time I look at what I can achieve with this fat camera, I feel, filmmakers, hey, it's there for you. You can try it out and then compare it with, red, you know, dragon, red scarlet, red, epic, and see what you can achieve. But I don't have one myself, but I'm definitely looking at, testing this camera out because, as independent filmmakers, we need to always make our money work for us. If there's anything out there that can help us achieve that, high quality production, at least we can grab it and test it out. Do like a little, test shoot, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, short, and see what, compare it, edit it. I mean, you know, again with Resolve Studio, that it comes, only the software itself would have cost a lot of money anyway, but it comes with it, which just, I think they really had filmmakers in mind when they are making this, camera. Just want to make it a lot easier, for independent filmmakers with low budget to come up with that high-end production. It's amazing. So the camera actually has 80 megapixels for you to work with. So, and the color science is just up or out of this world. So it has the equal amount of sensor for you to shoot in red, green, and blue. It just gives you everything. I mean, cinematographers now will just have to love this camera. You definitely have to love this camera because, even it has USB 3.5, and then you have the slots there for cards, and you know it just gives you that flexibility to move fast. you know what about the lenses, the way you can swap, you know between, you can use the EF lens, you can use the F lens as well. It just makes everything bespoke, ready. Let's go. you know I'm loving it. Now picture this. It actually has super 35 sensor and 14 stops of dynamic range. Man, say that again. It has a CFast and UHS-2 SD card recorder, which usually is high-end cameras that would have those kind of features. Very handy, very, very useful for production. So it has an ND filter. It has dual CFast and UHS-2 SD card recorder, which is definitely a high-end features that you would use for super production. And to top it up, it has a USB-C expansion port, which is just one of the features. In fact, in my view, this is the most advanced 12K camera at this point in time. That's as far as record is right. You don't want to miss this camera. Try it out. So tell me which camera you prefer, which one that works for you, which one you've tried recently, any new ones coming up. Drop us feedback, comment, and let us know how it's worked for you. We're all here to share resources, share ideas, and make the most out of our limited budget for production. If you like this topic today, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give us feedback. It's very important to get feedback, and we can only get better at what we do. All right, so have fun and try and check out this Blackmagic Mini Pro also. All right, catch you later.